Hey, it's Kelly with Cricut. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create custom cards. It's one of my favorite things to make and give during the holiday season especially. So let's get making. So you'll need a Cricut machine. I'm using a Maker, a connected device with design space, some insert cards. I've got these colors here, a card mat. But if you don't have either of those things, I will be showing you a version that you can make with a regular card mat. This one is light grip and some regular cardstock. And then I also have some pens just for some extra decoration. These ones are metallic, and some glue. So we're ready to get started. Okay, so now we are in design space. So you can go into Christmas and holiday cards, and find one that you would like to make. I already have a couple picked out and saved them, so they are over in my stuff and then in my bookmarked tab. So we're gonna start with the palm tree design today. So I'll select that, and I'm actually gonna go here to customize. I'm actually not going to use foil for this one. I want to use metallic pens instead. So I'll show you where to change that. In my layers, I'm going to drop this down, and here where this says foil, I'm going to go to operation, and in my drop down, I'm going to say pen. And then here I can choose the pen that I want. And I am going to do silver. Select my card mat. And now it's time to assemble our cards. So we will lift off the film, slide our card in between. Just press it down so it doesn't move around. Okay, so now that I have my card mat loaded up, I am ready to click continue and connect to my Maker. Select our materials. Insert card. And now we are going to load our silver pen. All right, and now we're going to unload and move right on to our next design. I'm gonna go ahead and use my little spatula scraper and get these off now. And now all that's left to do is put our insert cards into our cards. And my red glitter and our happy holidays. There are our two insert cards made with our card mat. So we'll move on and I'll show you if you don't have a card mat or insert cards, but you have just some regular card stock and a regular mat, how to do that kind of card. So I'm going to go back to my bookmarks to find our next card design. We'll do Merry Catmas for this one. So I will just go here to our text. I'm going to change this pen to black, 1 millimeter. And I have a font already saved that I really like that's cute and kind of swirly. Here we go. And then make this just a little bit bigger. Okay, and we are ready to make. So I will go up here to make. I'll select on mat. and get my cardstock loaded on my mat. And then I will select my material. We're using a medium cardstock today, which is right there. And then I don't have a scoring wheel, but I do have a scoring stylus. So I'm gonna go in here and edit tools and then select my scoring stylus under this score section and select apply. So I need to put my stylus in clamp A where my pen was and my blade in clamp B. And we'll get our second layer loaded. Okay, now all that's left to do is assemble our card. So I've got our front here with this scoring line down the middle, which makes a nice, easy fold line. And then we'll just glue the glitter to the front of the card. So these are the 3 cards that we made today, both with and without a card mat. But there are a ton of other designs that you can customize in Design Space. So I encourage you to go check that out. Have a happy holidays and happy making.